Welcome to Programming KT. I am explaining about the concept is operators in Java. So operators are used to do some computational logic like addition, subtraction, multiplication, assignment, conditional checking. These kind of some operations we can do by using operators. So here I list out operators that are available in Java, like arithmetic operators, unary operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, ternary operator, bitwise operators, shift operators, instance of operator. So let me try to explain one by one. So before this, I am trying to expect one thing from you is so if you did not subscribe Programming KT channel. So then you will never miss notifications from Programming KT. So let me try to explain about first one, that is arithmetic operators. So first one is arithmetic. So arithmetic operators. So imagine I have two variables. So I is equal to 10 and int j is equal to 5. So these are the two variables. I will apply all arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators we have like first one is addition, next one is subtraction, third one is multiplication, fourth one is modulus, fifth one is division. So these are the five operators are available under arithmetic operator section. So addition is nothing but adding up two variables, either it may be numbers or it may be anything. We can add it, I mean integers or double, I mean floating point values also we can add in. So here I am trying to add two integers like I plus j. So what is the result? So 10 plus 5, it is 15, right? So these two we can call it as a operands. So operands, this one is called operator. So exactly we are talking about this one. So this is called operand. I mean operator, and remaining I and j are called operands. So to perform addition operation, at least one operand is required. So here I am trying to use two, right? Instead of two, we can use one also, like I plus I. I plus I. So in this case, we will get result like 10 plus 10. Result is 20. So here operand is one only. I mean, typically you can call it as two operands, but here the value is only one, right? Here I am using I plus I only, but we can say two operands anyway here. So this is called operator. So this is about addition operator. Next one is subtraction. So subtraction also is same. Exactly, we can remove this addition operator with, I mean minus, like I minus j. So what is the result? I minus j. Let me remove here. Let me try to write properly. So 10 minus 5. Result is 5. So this one is the, I mean subtraction operator. So these two are the operands. So same for multiplication also. I times j. So what is the result? 10 times 5 is the result 50. This is the multiplication operator. So next one is modulus operator. So we can apply modulus operator to two variables I modulus j. I mean 10 modulus 5. We will get result like, so modulus operator always returns remainder. So here remainder is 0. So you need to remember one point when you are working with modulus operator. Returns, modulus operator always returns. So always returns remainder. So reminder. So here 10 by 5, 5 to 10, right? The remainder is 0. So if I can apply division operator, I times, I mean I by 5, I mean I by j. So 10 by 5, 5 twos. Quotient is 2. So division operator always returns quotient. So these two points you need to remember when you are working with the modulus operator and division operator. Moreover, that these two are the somewhat important. So in under arithmetic operators. So let me try to explain about next one, that is unary operator. Unary operators. So unary operators means the name itself indicates that unary means one. So we have unary operators like unary operators. So unary operators are nothing but not equal to, logical not, increment and decrement. These three are the unary operators. Let me try to explain about not. So not is used to negate the boolean value. Like, so let me explain with first one not. So not true. We need to apply this, logical not with any boolean value. So if it is true, true opposite is false. So in that case, if block won't be executed. SOP of some, your message you can print here. So else you can print one more alternative message. If it is false, some alternative message here you can print. So true opposite is false, right? False means if block won't execute it. Mean here instead of this value, you can replace with any expression also, like 4 not equal to 5. This expression directly can replace here. So in that case, let me try to write that expression as well. So if here again I am writing, we need to wrap that with braces. So 4 not equal to 5. So in that case, two statements. If it is true, then print this message. Else, alternative message. SOP of alternative message. So 4 not equal to 5. True, right? True opposite, not equal to, operator. You not equal to unary operator. So exactly it will apply negation to boolean value. So this is about not equal to operator. When I am trying to write examples about in Visual Studio Code, I will explain in detail more. So for now, you can imagine like not equal to operator means, the logical not operator means we can apply negation to Boolean value. That's enough. So next one are, you can say increment and decrement operators. Let me try to explain about that increment and decrement. So increment, first I am trying to explain. So increment, these operators frequently we can use inside loops, right? For loop. So I want to print numbers from 1 to 10. I want to print. So how I can apply by using for loop, right? So for I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So we are talking about exactly here. Increment operator, right? Here this one is the increment. So for loop have three, I can say three parts: initialization, condition, increment or decrement. So we are talking about these operators only, increment or decrement operator. Then I can directly print SOP of I. So this is the syntax about for loop, right? So exactly we are talking about third part of for loop. So same similarly decrement operator also. So I want to print numbers from 20 to 10. In that case, I can declare I value is 10. Then I am trying to change the condition here. I greater than is 10. So I am trying to decrement it. This is the decrement operator. SOP of I. Now it will print the numbers from 20 to 10. So this is about decrement operator. So one more thing will be there. Special cases for these increment and decrement operators called post increment, post increment. Not post increment, pre decrement, post increment. I can say. Let me try to. So pre increment, post increment. Yeah. Anyway, I can move this above. Both are same only. Let me try to remove and write one more time. So I can say pre increment, post increment. So pre-increment means value will be increased and printed. So let us say I have I equal to 20. So if I can print SOP of pre-increment plus plus I. In that case, the result will be 21. Why? Because added one value, one, I mean, one unit of value is added to I variable and then print the result. This is about pre-increment. So we are writing the increment operator before to variable. So if I can write SOP of after the variable, so the result will be 20 only. Why? Because first the value will be printed, then value will be increment. So if I can write one more time, then only it will, the value will be reflect 21. So same for post, I mean, pre decrement, post decrement. Rule is applicable same. So same I am trying to apply pre decrement and post decrement for I value. So if I can print minus minus I, so I will get a result like 19. If I can apply post decrement I minus minus, I mean after to the variable, the result is still 20. Why? Because value is printed, then it will decrement. If I can print one more time, so then only we will get number, I mean 19. So this is about pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement and post-decrement. So again, this one also I will explain in detail when I am trying to write the code in IDE. So next one is, this is about unary operators. Next one is assignment operators. We try to write here. So third one is assignment operator. Assignment operators. So assignment operator is only one. With this we have a number of combinations. So this is the one of the most frequently used operator in real world. So assignment operator nothing but when I am trying to explain about data types and variables, you may observe. So I have value called 10. So this value I am trying to store into a variable of data type integer. So how I can assign? By using assignment operator. This is about assignment operator. So I is the value that is stored into a variable I, and type we will be integer type. So one thing you need to remember about assignment operator is assignment operator will execute always right to left. This is one point, important point you need to remember. 10 is the value stored into variable I of data type integer. So this is about assignment operator. So with this we have number of combinations like addition assignment operator. Again, all arithmetic operations, subtraction, multiplication assignment, modulus assignment, division assignment, even shift also, shift operators also will be there. For now, you can stick with only arithmetic operator assignment operators. Like, so arithmetic assign operator means I want to add value 5 to this I variable. How I can do that? So I plus assignment, I mean assignment, addition assignment operator plus 5. So how I will, I mean I will explain how it will execute. So this is exactly similar to I is equal to I plus 5. So what is the initial value of I will, I is initial value of I is I mean 10, right? For the 10 I am trying to add value 5. So 10 plus 5 5, 10 plus 5 15, 15 I am trying to store into a variable called I. So now I value is 15. So this is about addition assignment. So this is shorthand syntax for this one, this one. Anyway, both are same, but first one is shorthand syntax of second one. So addition, I mean subtraction assignment also same. Let me try to explain. I minus 5. So in this case, the result will I value is 5. Why? Because I is equal to I minus 5. So what is the, I mean value I value is initially 10. 10 minus 5 5. Now I value is 5. So same for, I mean multiplication assignment also. I times equal to 5. So we will get 10 times 5. I value is 50. So modulus also same. I modulus equal to 5. The remainder I already explained about this one, right? When I am trying to explain arithmetic operators, always returns remainder. Reminder. This one always returns quotient. So 10 by 5 remainder is 0. I division 5. So remind, I mean, quotient will be 1. This is about assignment operators. We try to minimize. Let me a little bit zoom in. So here I explained about, I mean, three operators: arithmetic operators, unary operators, assignment operators. So we need to remember, I mean, modulus operator and division, I mean, division operator. Why? Because anyway, addition, subtraction, multiplication. These also, these are available on calculator app as well, right? So in the under unary operator, increment and decrement, logical not. I mean, a negation of true or, I mean, I can say boolean values. Assignment operator is nothing but equal to. Now I am trying to explain about that operators in Visual Studio Code. I will write examples about arithmetic operators, unary operators, and assignment operators. So for that, I am trying to create one folder on Java programming main folder. So I'm trying to provide name is operators. So under operators, I'm trying to create one Java file called operators example. Operators.java. I'm trying to create one class. So before that, I need to create package. Otherwise, it will give some error. So for now, we can ignore this package. I mean, I will explain in future. So I'm trying to create public class operators example. It is already highlighting. So now I'm trying to write example inside this file. So let me try to write first arithmetic operators. First one is arithmetic operator, right? Arithmetic. So operators are used to do computational logic, right? Addition, subtraction. So what are the automatic arithmetic operators are available? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulus operator, and division operator. These are the arithmetic operators. Now let me try to explain one by one. So before that, I am trying to declare two variables equal to 10 and I equal to, I mean, j is equal to 5. Here equal to is missing. So j is equal to 5. So now I am trying to apply one by one. So first I can write here for differentiating. So arithmetic. So arithmetic operators. So these are the arithmetic operators. Now, I mean, I'm trying to provide some heading, something like that. Now, as so I'm trying to add, I mean, addition arithmetic operator. We will get result like 15. So copy, paste, and apply for remaining as well. So next one is subtraction. 10 minus 5, we will get result like 5. Next one is multiplication. Think here 5 cursor is still there on. So next one is 10 times 5 will be 50. Next one is a modulus operator. Modulus means always returns remainder. So 10 modulus 5 returns remainder is 0. So next one is finally division. 10 divide 10 division with 5 means we will get I mean quotient like 2. So let me try to execute. It will give a expected result or not. First I need to move corresponding file location. That is there under operators folder. Inside that the, I mean, operators example will be there. So the command will be Java. I mean, I can say operator C dot operator C ex dot Java. So 15 5 50 0 2. It is returning expected result only, right? This is about arithmetic operators. So now let me try to explain with the next one. What is that? Unary operators. So we try to copy this one as well. So second one is unary operators. Unary operators are there. I mean, three we have, right? Logical not and increment, decrement. These two are the, I mean, three are the unary operators. First one will be, if I can write, first one is logical not, right? I mean, I can say not equal to operator. I mean, it is exactly similar. I mean, negation to Boolean. If I can add true opposite to Boolean, I can write, so I can not true, else. So it is, I mean, it is giving some warning. So not true means definitely false will be executed. This is about first one. Dead. I mean, it can't. I mean, directly we can write this one. I mean, my intention is to so. I mean, we can apply negation to Boolean values. That's why it is providing like this. Instead of that, previously I declared, right, I not equal to J. Now I think it won't get any warning. So why? Because here I am trying to declare values, right? Maybe this value variable values may be changed. That's why the warning gone now. So I is the 10, j is 5, right? 10 not equal to 5, true. True opposite is false. Directly it will enter into false. This, if I can say this is true, now we can expect a result like false. So next one is increment and decrement. So I want to print the numbers from 1 to, I mean, 1 to 10. So for that, here it is taking something different. I mean, value variable value is not good. Int, can say k equal to 0, k less than, I am trying to print the numbers from 1 to 10. K less than or equal to 10. Instead of 0, I can replace it to 1. And finally our increment operator. So as out. Now remove this ln. Instead of say, I mean, next line I am trying to print same line itself. So now let me try to write example for decrement. I'm trying to copy and paste it. So I'm trying to print the numbers from 50 to 40. Here I can directly I'm initializing. I mean, value is, starting value is 50 and ending value is 40. Greater than or equal to 40. So k minus minus. Now it will print the numbers from 50 to 40. So next, this is about unary operators. Now let me try to execute one more time. So here I did not updated unary operators. Anyway, I got the result. So before that, here println. Here I need to write one more result. I mean, for next line. So I did not write anything. So here, I mean, the value is false. Why? Because 10 not equal to 5. So that's why we'll get false. False is it is executing. Next one is 1 to 10 and 50 to 40. This is increment operator. This is decrement operator. So this is about unary operators. Next one is I am trying to explain about assignment. Assignment operator. So can say we have only one, but that is equal to. So with this we have number of I mean combinations like G assignment operator. Here also need to update. So assignment operators. With this we have arithmetic combination like plus equal to minus. I mean addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, modulus assignment, division assignment. So one example I will provide. Next one you can write on your own. In so before this I will write from right to left. Why? Because assignment operator execute from right to left, right? So I have value 30. I need to store into a variable called z. So type integer. How I can assign? By using assignment operator. That is equal to. This is about assignment operator. So first one, remaining, and remaining means addition assignment, subtraction assignment. I will explain you. So I want to add value to Z. 1 minute, not here. This is I plus. Plus equal to the remaining, right? I wrote reverse. That's why it is giving error. So now I won't get error. So this is exactly similar to, let me try to write that command. So this is exactly similar to z equal to z plus 5. So this is shorthand syntax. This is shorthand syntax for this value. So now the value will be, if I can print it, z value. Let me try to execute one more time. We will get the value is, z value is 35. So assignment operator, after here I can write one more result. For next line. So assignment operators, get value is 35. You can apply, you can play with the remaining operators also. So one thing I missed here, let me try to format the code properly. So here I missed pre-increment and post-increment. I missed here that concept. Now let me try to explain about that. So pre-increment means, let me try to declare one more, int a is equal to, I can say, from 40. I am trying to declare. So I am trying to apply pre-increment plus plus a. In that case, the result will be 41. So next one I am trying to write s out of variable name is a, right? A plus plus. In this case, the result will be still 40 only. So anyway, previous value is 40. 40, right? Here. So you will get 40. Next one about decrement also I will explain. First, let me try to execute it. So unary operators. First one is here. Here itself it is printing. 1 minute. Here I need to write. Why? Because this print ln. This is the value. Now, now it will print into next line. So unary operators 41, 41. Why? Because if I can explain first, second one I will comment it. So our expected value is 41. Let me try to go. So 41. Now I will comment out above line. Why? Because it will increment again. Pre-increment. Next I am trying to increment again. So that's why if I can print the value will be, if I can run it, the value will be 40 only. Why? Because the value is printed. Now, next I will print one more time here. I will get 41. So 40, 41. So value is printed, then increment. So in second time, I got 41. This is about decrement also you can play with the same. You can, instead of plus plus, you can replace minus minus, remains same. So I hope you got clarity about all, operators, like till now I explained about three, right? First three. Right. So arithmetic operators, unary operators. Third one is assignment operators. So I hope you got clarity. So if you like the content, hit on like button and subscribe Programming KT. Thanks for watching.